You can easily access Duet AI in Gmail by visiting gmail.com in your browser. Alternatively, you can use Duet AI in the Gmail app, which you can download on Android and iOS devices. If you haven't already, open your Gmail inbox and click the Compose button to open a new message window. In the toolbar, click Help Me Write. You can select various options, including an option for Help Me Write and different options for refining your draft email. In this lesson, you learn how to use the Help Me Write feature to create a new email message. To open a text input where you can type your prompt, select Help Me Write. Perhaps you work in human resources or HR and you'd like to inform all employees about a new benefit. You can ask Duet AI to write an email to the entire company to announce the change. The prompt can include information that describes the new benefit, who it applies to, and when it will become available. If you are in IT, consider asking Duet AI to email employees highlighting the latest software updates that the IT team launched. Or maybe you're in sales and you need help with drafting personalized emails. Ask Duet AI to email a thank you note after a productive meeting. You can specify the topic of discussion and the tone you want to convey. Regardless of your role, it's important to provide a descriptive prompt to help Duet AI understand what you're looking for. To help Duet AI better understand your expectations, avoid using jargon or technical language. Also, you can provide examples of the type of content you're looking for. After you type your prompt, click Create. You might need to wait a few moments for Duet AI to generate a response. If you like what's suggested, you can insert it into your email message. If you want to improve the generated response, you can select Recreate to try the prompt again. Alternatively, you can choose to further refine the suggested text or update the prompt you provided. In the next lesson, you'll learn more about refining text using Duet AI.